morning comes with the early summer light. Curtains sway gently by the window, and you're sleeping. Tender wind dancing on my skin makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathing. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away. Evening comes with a fading summer light. Twilight air drifting through the window, and you're sleeping.
Never been sure where faith begins. Guess I'm still waiting for something to hit. I whispered questions till midnight winds. Not sure if someone's listening. Lying here silent, your hand on my skin. Feels like it's an answer or close enough to it. 'Cause I don't know where we go when the light fades out. If there's a
Evening comes with the early summer light. Curtains sway gently by the window, and you're sleeping. Tender wind dancing on my skin makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathing. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away. Evening comes with a fading summer light. Twilight air drifting through the window.
Hi, I'm going to show you guys the details about the scarf. I'm not very sure what fabric this is, but let me just come closer so I can show you guys. It's like cotton. I don't know if it's cotton, but it's quite stretchy. It stretches horizontally and vertically, so it stretches every way. It's not very transparent, as you can see. I don't know if I can find a measuring tape now, but I'm going to measure it and put the measurements here. I don't know, what am I talking to you guys for? So I'm going to try to get a measuring tape and put the measurements here. So these are the measurements of the scarf. I usually get my scarf from random stores in Istanbul. I've answered in multiple scarf videos. However, I try to find them on Amazon and link them on my Amazon storefront, so you can check them out if that's what you think. If you would like to purchase them, I usually try to look for very similar type of fabric from the pictures and add them to the cart, and add them to the storefront. So if that's something you're interested in, you can check out my Amazon storefront. The link is in the description box below. However, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye. I don't know which style was your favorite, because yeah, I think the last was my favorite. It was giving daily vibes, but yeah. Anyways, I'll speak to you guys in my next one. Bye.